Welcome to day 2. Let's begin.
Letter E. E says E, E, E. E is for elf. E is for exit. E. Say it again, children. E. Letter D. D says D, D, D. D is for door. D is for dentist. D. Say it again, children. D. E, E, E. D, D, D. E, D, E, D, E, D. Ed. Ed. Say it again, children. Ed. Letter F. F says is for fish. Is for folder. E, E, E. E, 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 F. F. Say it again, children. F. Letter G. G says G, G, G. G is for gift. G is for guitar. G. E, E, E. G, G, G. E, G, E, G, E, G. Egg. Egg. Say it again, children. Good job. Egg. Letter K. K says K, K, K. K is for kangaroo. K is for king. K. E, E, E. K, K, K. E, K, E, K, E, K. Egg. Egg. Say it again, children. Egg. Letter N. N says N, N, N. N is for net. N is for nap. N. E, E, E. N, N, N. E, N. E, N. E, N. 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 Say it again, children. Good job. N. Letter P. P says P, P, P. P is for pillow. P is for paint. P. E, E, E. P, P, P. E, P, E, P, E, P. App, app. Say it again, children. E, D, E, D. Add, add. E, G, E, G. Egg, egg. E, E, F, F. E, P, E, P. App, app. E, N, E, N. N, N. E, K, E, K. Ek, ek. Ed, F, egg. App, N, ek. Now let's read the word. E, D, E, D, E, D. Fed, fed. It's your turn, children. Fed. Well done. B, E, D, B, E, D, B, E, D. Bed, bed. Now it's your turn to read, children. Bed. Outstanding. P, E, N. P, E, N. P, E, N. Pen, pen. It's your turn to read. Pen. Outstanding. T, E, N. T, E, N. T, E, N. 10, 10. Your turn. Well done. K, E, G, K, E, G, K, E, G, keg, keg. Your turn. Outstanding. Let's continue our lesson tomorrow. Goodbye.